Calcium is one of those nutrients most gardeners don't think about until their plants start struggling, but it's absolutely essential for strong, healthy growth. Calcium helps build the cell walls that hold your plants together, kind of like the framework of a house. When plants have enough calcium, their stems stay firm, their leaves don't curl, and their fruits develop smooth and evenly. When calcium is missing though, you'll notice it fast. New leaves might twist or look deformed, roots grow weak, and fruits like tomatoes, peppers, or squash can get dark, sunken spots on the bottom. That's blossom end rot. It's one of the most common calcium-related problems in the garden. Once it shows up, you can't fix the damage on that fruit, but you can prevent it from happening again. So, where does calcium come from? Naturally, it's found in rocks and minerals that slowly break down over time. In most gardens, though, we need to give the soil a little help. Lime and gypsum are two of the most common calcium sources. They not only add calcium, but also improve soil structure and help reduce acidity. Crushed eggshells are another great option for home gardeners because they release calcium slowly and are easy to make from kitchen scraps. One of my favorite amendments, though, is bone meal. It's an organic, slow-release source of both calcium and phosphorus. That means it not only strengthens your plant's cell walls, but also supports healthy root growth and blooming. Mix it into the soil before planting, or sprinkle it around existing plants. It will feed them gradually over time. Just remember, calcium doesn't move easily within the plant. That means you need to have it in the soil before problems start. Once a leaf or fruit forms without enough calcium, adding more later won't fix that issue. Consistent watering is also crucial because calcium moves through the plant with water. If your soil dries out too often, your plants won't be able to absorb enough, even if calcium is available. It's all about balance. Too much calcium can push your soil's pH too high, which locks out other nutrients like magnesium and iron. Too little, and the plants struggle to grow and produce. The best way to know what your soil needs is to test it. That way, you can add the right amendment at the right time instead of guessing. If your plants are looking weak, your tomatoes have dark spots, or your leaves are curling at the tips, it might be time to give your soil a calcium boost. Try mixing in bone meal or crushed eggshells early in the season. Use a liquid calcium spray for a quick fix. Keep your watering consistent, and your plants will thank you with strong growth, fewer problems, and healthier harvests. That was Calcium in 100 Seconds. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, and as always, happy growing.